morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Delta Bear. And today, we will be unleashing of Kit. And yeah, still in it, it's so okay, but I'm really trying to make some vlogs here. So let's have more on the unleashing first, because I have new kits that have been arrived here on our house. So yeah, we have here this part right here. Yep, it's big. Yeah, it's massive because it's new. It's a bootleg. So those who doesn't like bootlegs, disclaimer, just go find some of my other videos which are Bandai or some original ones. You can see there on my Gunpla playlist. You can see there some of my original ones. Okay, so much for that. Let's go and let's unleash this one using my hobby knife. Yeah, rusty but still trusted. And I'm gonna make it very fast because yeah, my sinus attacks again. Okay, all you need to do is yeah, fast. Let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we got here and wow, it's really aching and my sinus. Okay, we got here and it's a new one, and I will explain why I get this, because yeah, I will explain it later. But yeah, let me introduce first you here your this is your Destiny Gundam with the Zeus. If I'm correct me if I'm wrong, just comment down there, or I'm already correcting myself on the title of this video. The Zeus TAC. Am I right? Do we have the name on the package? Yeah. Do we have it or not? Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't have the name. But yeah, as I know, it's a Zeus something backpack, which it becomes more larger. And this is from the, as I know, this is from the Star. If I'm right. Am I right? Star. It's at the TT Hongli part. There's a reason why I get this instead of the TT Hongli. I already saw the vlog of Sir Deck or Sir Gundam Deck, which go there to the channel, watch the review of Sir Gundam Deck on his channel about this kit, because he already have that review, and he reviews the TT Hongli already. So yeah, the TT Hongli brand. And some says that the Star brand is it the Star? Yeah, Star right there. Star 258 right there. So they say that the Star has a different color matching, which is not matching on the Destiny Gundam's colors. Yeah, which I think it's a little bit blunt. So that's why some of the people say that it's much more getting the TT Hongli. But also, from the word TT Hongli, I already know what's the quality of TT Hongli. Yeah, I really know what it is, because I've experienced building TT Hongli since 2016. So I know their plastic quality, and I know how they make those molds. So yeah, and also some when I saw the vlog of Sir Gundam Deck, I saw read some of its comments, and yeah, there are some comments that says TT Hongli is not good. Some of its parts are not good in the mold. Even the color is correct. Maybe I don't know if it's correct because I don't have the TT Hongli. So that's why I decided that yeah, just following TT Hongli, why not I go to the Star brand, so that I can have my own perspective or view of this brand on this same unit. Yep. So instead of having that even as Sir Gundam already reviewed the TT Hongli and some other Gunpla vloggers also, so I will go for this one. Okay, but yeah, so let's try to see it. Yeah, it's not yet an unboxing, okay, but I just want to see why they're not getting this. As I know, some of the Star units or Star brand bootleg kits are okay. Yeah, which I already built some of it. Okay, And as I know, the color of the Destiny Gundam on the, because this Zeus backpack, if I'm correct on the term, is the color of it is really different than the normal Destiny, because I think it's the Destiny Spec 2 already, which is already, it also has its own RG, yeah, or the real grade. Okay, so let's see. I would like to see it because they say it's very different. Ooh, okay, the gold is nice. Yeah, okay, it has two different kinds of golds, something like this one gold, this one, and this one also. I don't know what the name of the golds, but yeah, they are golds, something very bright gold, and then some blunt kind of color of gold. Red, oh yeah, so they're right. But yeah, I like this more. The white for the for the star is not so white. It's like a white gray, and the gray is very gray. Okay, so maybe that's the part that they don't like. Then the blue right here, I think it's much more darker blue, and even the parts, the gray, the white parts is already on something gray already. Yeah, so I think that's the Spec 2. Wait, I want to see the green. Okay, the green is okay. Yeah, I don't know, but we will only got the full of aesthetic for this one if we build this next time. Okay, so let's see. If you want me to build this first, you can comment down there below so that we can already see the difference. But I don't have that kit of this, of the TT Hongli. But yeah, I will just give my opinion about this one, and you can go to Sir Gundam Dex review if there is really a difference with the Star and the TT Hongli Destiny Gundam with the Zeus something. I forgot. But yeah, I already correct myself down there on the title of the kit, or the title of this video. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's your Destiny, and I think this 2 means Spec 2 Destiny Gundam with the Zeus. I don't know what are you, but yeah, that's it. The Zeus backpack. Yeah, I will just use the term here. And this is from the Star 258. So that's the Star 258 brand. And yeah, no less kind of design on the box, because on the TT Hongli, it really follows the box of the Bandai, which it really copies it and then just get out of some of those details from Bandai and then change it, some Chinese characters and the logo of the TT Hongli. But this one, it really changes all in white and just blue colors of the fonts of these Chinese characters. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like to have this first, to build this, comment down there below and comment first, build it first, something like that, and then we will have it. So same as usual, we will have an unboxing, but before you can see the unboxing, you will see first the live build for this one, and after the live build, we will have the video for the unboxing, and then the video for the Gunpla Showcase. Again, it's just a Gunpla Showcase, which I give you some not also major details, but some of the important details of these kits, especially the parts, and yeah, the fittings like that, and then some broad details also for the kits, because I really don't have so much time on making a very detailed kit, a very detailed review, which I've done last videos that I have here. So yeah, I don't really have so much time on making that, making some scripts. So yeah, I just go for the Gunpla Showcase. Okay, and yeah, I hope you like it too. Okay, so for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. And as you can see, I never mentioned the dents right here because yeah, I already know that I will have that. It's bootleg, man, and it goes from very far away here in the Philippines. So yeah, I expected that part, that dented part. As long as the kit is okay inside, that's okay for me. Hey, that's it for guys. Thank you so much. So that's it. Thank you and peace out. I think I'm done with the outro. Yeah. Peace out. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Woo.